Welcome to Money with Mark Albert. We have a workshop coming up that's hosted by CRM Canada, and you're going to learn on investment strategies to build your net worth and on other solutions and strategies to protect your family. We have two speakers, and I want to get into that right now. We'd like to invite you. CRM Canada is inviting you, and here are the hosts here. They're inviting you to this workshop. It's on Saturday, June the 8th from 9 to 12 at the ski chalet at Jacuzzi Park in Brampton. And I will be speaking on investment strategies for building your net worth. And Sean Hughes, from Regional Vice President from Foresters Financial, will be with us. He'll also be speaking on solutions to protect your family. Breakfast is provided, and let me tell you, these guys go all out for breakfast. There's going to be some free giveaways at the end. It's going to be a really meaningful time. We'd like you to come. And the first 20 people who come are going to get a copy of my book. It's on personal finances, called Ready, Reset, Refocus. It's on personal finances. The first 20 people who arrive at the event will get it. So come early. It starts at 9 o'clock. And so it's on Saturday, June 8th, 9 to 12. Breakfast is provided. It's at the Ski Chalet, Jacuzzi Park. Please register in advance. Call this number to register. This will be the host. If you know me personally and you want to reach out to me, then reach out to me and I'll make sure you get registered. And seating is limited in the facility that we have. So really good time. Looking forward to being with all of you. If you can make it, wonderful. Have a wonderful day, and we'll look forward to seeing you there.